Today we will cook Urad Dal. We also call it Maash ki dal, black gram pulse or Vigna Mungo. Now note that it's not mung bean. Mung bean is different. This is a famous lentil you can find in Pakistan and India, especially in the Punjab area. This lentil comes from a black bean that only grows in southern parts of Asia. It is one of the most highly prized pulses of South Asia. This black gram is very nutritious and contains high protein and fiber. If you are traveling in Pakistan or India, you will always find it on the highway restaurants. Let's start with it. I took 1 cup of urad dal and soaked it for 1 hour. I took 2 cups of water to boil the lentils. I added half teaspoon of salt, 4th teaspoon of turmeric and 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Let the water boil and then I'll add my pulses in it. You can see the water is boiling. Now I will add soaked lentils in it. I have washed it 3 to 4 times to make sure that extra dirt is removed. Now I will cook the lentils up to 80%. The reason for 80% cooking is because we have to cook it for some time with the masala, so we want to make sure it doesn't get too soft. Take a look at this. It's not fully cooked. It's a little bit hard. You can see that when I'm pressing it, it doesn't mash easily. While cooking it, you can keep checking that it doesn't get too soft. Out of 2 cups of water, you can see that a little bit of it is left. Now this will make it easy for the lentils to be fried with the masala. Now the second step to cook the lentils. I took 1 large onion and chopped it into really small pieces. Heat up a pan and add 1/4 cup of oil. Add 2 curry leaves. Add chopped onions in it. Fry the onions until they are golden brown. Take a look at the color. It's not too dark. Now it's time to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. It gives really good fragrance and taste to our lentils. Add 2 teaspoons of crushed chili flakes. These flakes not only look really good, but they give a mild spice to our food. I have recently started using it and the results are awesome. I highly recommend that. Now I added 1 teaspoon coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. These spices promote digestion as this lentils is high in protein. These spices will make it easy for the stomach to digest it. They also smell really good. Let's add half teaspoon of turmeric. Now add 2 chopped tomatoes and 2 to 3 chopped green chilies. My green chilies are of Thai origin and they are really spicy. If your green chilies are not that spicy, you can add more as well. Green chili also has vitamin A, B and C, and it also contains antioxidants and are very healthy for our body. Now turn the flame down, cover the pan and let the masala simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. This mixture of spices will become a smooth paste after that. Now uncover it and roast the masala for sometimes like 5 to 7 minutes. One teaspoon salt. Now you can see everything is mixed together. Add a bit of water so that the spices don't stuck with the base. You can see the masala. It's smelling really good. The oil has been separated. Usually when the oil gets separated, this is the signal that the masala mixture is fully cooked and now we can add our main item. If you have two stove tops, you can cook the masala and boil the lentils at the same time. This will reduce your overall cooking time to just 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, time to put the lentil in the masala. As I told you, it was 80% cooked. I have strained the lentil and saved its broth for later use. That broth is really important, so make sure you save it in a cup. I roasted the lentil for 5 minutes in the masala. After roasting, I added the leftover lentil broth and half cup of water. Now we will let it simmer for 10 minutes on a very low flame. As you know, our lentil was 80% cooked. This will make it 100% cooked now. As it's very famous food for travelers that have really high standard about this food, so we need to make sure it's neither hard not very soft. At the end, add some garam masala, some fresh coriander or cilantro for some green look. The smell is great. Our dhaba style dal mash, urad dal, black bean pulse is ready. You can eat it with some onions, pickle, or mint chutney, whose recipe I will share soon. In my family, it is eaten with a chapati. You can also eat it with chapati as well. Take a look at the color. Isn't it beautiful? I wish you good luck in your life. Bye.